The SINMI invitation. Rest is your birthright. In the buzz of city streets, in the swirl of the spinning world, we forget what it means to just be. Be here. Where the noise fades and the ground beneath your feet remembers your name, we invite you to pause. Take off your shoes, feel the pulse of the earth as it rises to greet you. Close your eyes, breathe in the air that carries stories, breathe out the weight of today. Lay down your burdens, let them melt into the earth. Sit, talk, be with friends, with family, with community that gather here. Let the conversation rise like waves, like wind, and let your spirit settle. At the SINMI bench, you remember rest is not something you earn. It is something you are. Come, be home. Lagos, a vibrant cultural scene. The city rich with artistic heritage and diverse creative talents. However, many local artists face significant challenges in accessing affordable and suitable spaces for cultural and creative expression. This is where we come in. With the Lantern Art Space Fellowship, we established The Benches, a collective of creative thinkers, architects, artists, curators, and community advocates. In our first workshop, we explored unconventional spaces, under bridges, rooftops, abandoned buildings, and public parks. We envisioned these spaces as inclusive hubs for art and culture. To inspire our work, we toured Freedom Park, a space transformed into a thriving cultural hub. It showed us how urban areas can be reimagined to foster creativity and community. The SINMI bench is designed to reflect the textures and colors of African aesthetic fused with contemporary design. It will also serve as a canvas for artistic expression, a conduit for things like barcodes with information about the history of place and time, artistic installations, both audio and visual. It'll allow for integration of various elements. And in keeping with our commitment to sustainability, it'll be built to last, using recycled material like wood, repurposed bamboo, reducing our ecological footprint while providing a beautiful and functional addition to the Lagos public space. Our pilot installation will debut at Finney Park, a hybrid space where art and recreation converge, a perfect embodiment of our vision to create greener, more creative public space in Lagos. The journey to secure this location wasn't without its challenges. Initial attempts to reach the general manager of Las Park, as advised by the fellowship through phone calls, were unsuccessful due to timing and scheduling, but our determination kept us moving forward. We took a proactive step by emailing a comprehensive project proposal detailing our vision for integrating art, community, and public engagement into the space. This approach resonated with Las Park. Shortly after, Las Park reached out to schedule an in-person meeting. The on-site discussion at Finney Park was a turning point as we collaboratively explored potential bench locations and refined the vision for the project. This partnership highlights the power of persistence and collaboration in reimagining public spaces as vibrant hubs for creativity and cultural exchange.
Something I can come sit, charge when my phone charged, listen to music. I am chilling and I'm listening to music and my phone is charged. Of course, something like that I would want to give a try. Yes. So I can even tell people to come for it.
Or you can tell your friends to come around and hang around and have fun.
Since you're going to be listening to free music and they'll get to sit down on the bench and take some pictures.
To me, it will be an added advantage for the park because I've been to several parks in Lagos, in and out of Lagos though, and I've not seen something like that. So for someone like me who occasionally loves to go to the park just to go and relax, to stay away from the hustles and bustles of Lagos, and to at least encode nature, to be able to communicate with nature. So I really love something like that.